So now we talk about introduction to research, where the flow of presentation is like this. What is research? What are the types of research? What research comprises of? Importance of knowing the subject, methodology, and I have also included two more topics, objectives and purposes of research. So I'll include them here, objectives and purposes. Objectives, purpose. Purpose. Purpose of research. So these two topics also we will be covering here. And so these are the topics that I will be covering in this particular chapter. So now coming back to my screen share. Have to So what actually is research? As you said, I want to read something in detail. कोई भी topic में हमें detail में चाहिए, which means I am searching for knowledge. मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ और सीखने को उसके बारे में, right? Then again, when I search, I'm going to search it in a systematic, scientific way. मतलब एकदम इसके बाद ये, इसके बाद ये, इसके बाद ये, बराबर प्रॉपर आंसर चाहिए मुझे. सो आंसर नहीं चाहिए, ये भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है नहीं, right? So I am going to search in a systematic way. Supposing I want to know the spending power of people residing in a particular area. ठीक है, अभी मुझे मैं क्या सर्च कर रही हूँ? आई वांट टू सी द स्पेंडिंग पावर, राइट? सर्च फॉर नॉलेज, और मैं उसे सिस्टमैटिकली करूँगी, राइट? सिस्टमैटिकली मतलब आई विल हैव अ डिजाइन इन माइंड एंड देन डू इट. पहले कैसे था, कमाई क्या है, कितना सेविंग्स करते हैं, कितना खर्चा कर पा रहे हैं, ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस, मैं क्वेश्चंस मन में लाऊंगी and then I will see a way to collect it, right? So which means it is actually a scientific inquiry into a subject. Scientific inquiry बोला तो एकदम proper search है. Are you following? It's a proper search of any particular area. And then from unknown to you move to the known. समझ में आ रहा है? Let's take the case of coronavirus. ठीक है? We all knew in March 2020, the announcement was made. The virus had already spread and it was, spreading very fast across the countries. But then, हमने क्या किया था? उसको scientifically, उसको ये क्या है, क्या चीज़ फैल रहा है, क्यों बीमार पड़ रहे लोग, right? वो scientific search था, right? और इसके बारे में हमने क्या किया था? We started doing it in a proper way. How many people are getting affected? What is the effect? Symptoms क्या है? Symptoms ये हो तो कोरोना वायरस है, right? Then we had lab setups, उनके भी proper methods से वगैरह थे, right? And then you are seeing what is the cause of this, what are the effects of this. ये सब scientific way में आपने किया था, right? Say the say about a few people, you all actually had wanted to know कितने लोग ये बीमारी से they are affected. So this is the way it has to be, right? इसके वजह से देखो सी इतने लोगों को काशी है, इतने लोगों को पहले कैसा था, फर्स्ट इनिशियली व्हेन इट स्प्रेड वी ऑल स्टार्टेड विद अ सोर थ्रोट, ड्राई कॉफ, ये सारे सिम्टम्स, राइट? सम ऑफ अस इवन हैड डायरिया एक्सेट्रा. सो इसके वजह से क्या हो रहा था, देयर वाज अ प्रॉपर, इतने लोगों को ये है, सो लेट देम गेट टेस्टेड. तो सब लोग पॉजिटिव हुए, तो ऑब्वियसली वी से दीज आर द सिम्टम्स ऑफ कोरोना वायरस. फॉलोइंग? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
And we say research
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a movement from unknown to known. जो चीज हमें नहीं आती है हम उसे नोन करते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा जान जानकर थोड़ी थोड़ी बिट्स एंड पीसेस में पढ़ पढ़ के वी सी हाउ वी गेट इनटू द प्रॉपर जर्नी और सीखने की हमें आशा हो जाती है. This is what research actually means. It's a search for knowledge in a systematic and scientific way for getting relevant answers on any taken up specific topic. कोरोना वायरस के बारे में पढ़ना था मुझे, क्या है उसके सिम्टम्स, क्या है कैसे चालू होते हैं, कौन कौन सी दवाइयों से उसका इलाज हो सकता है, टू प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम स्प्रेडिंग फास्ट इनटू द बॉडी, कितने लोग इससे अफेक्टेड हैं और ये कैसे फैलता है. एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान के कपड़े यूज करने से या चीख के उसमें एयर में ऐसे हवा हवे में वो कीड़े फैलने के, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. अगेन रिसर्च इज मूवमेंट फ्रॉम अननोन टू द नोन. जो चीज़ हमें मालूम ही नहीं था आज तक से 2019 में, इवन व्हेन इट हैड स्टार्टेड, इस चीज़ का हमें मालूम नहीं था, बट नाउ वी केम टू नो एंड नाउ वी आर स्टिल डिस्कवरिंग all possibilities about it. Now let's see the types of research. Researchers. काफी तरह के रिसर्च है. Let me start with correlative research. What is a correlative research? Correlative research actually tries to find out, is there an existing relationship or if two variables are related. Sorry, right? So if they are related, in what way? So when I say correlative research, it is going to be, I'm going to compare two things, I'm going to establish a relationship, etc. So I'm going to say employee performance and incentives. I'm going to check if employee performance and incentives are related. Incentives देने के वजह से employee perform करता है क्या, या उसका परफॉर्मेंस एनहांस हो सकता है क्या. मतलब दो कंसेप्ट है. मे बी आई विल टेक हिज say output, yeah, hours of working in a particular period and the incentives given during that period, post that and before that, सब compare करके देखूंगी मैं. Are you following? Yeah, for example, extra lectures and students marks code. So I'm trying to explore if extra lecture is helping me to boost up the scores of the students. So that is called as correlative research. Then we talk about analytical research. Now here the researcher uses facts, information that are already existing to analyze the data to make a critical evaluation. Like for example, I will say that, well, how did I say that wave 2 of corona is more severe than wave 1? Because I already had the facts, right? I already had the number of fatalities. मतलब जितने लोग मरे हैं, जितने लोगों को सीरियस इफेक्ट हुआ है, ये सारे फैक्ट्स मेरे पास है, राइट? आई कंपेयर तभी क्या हुआ था, सेकेंड वेव, फर्स्ट वेव में क्या हुआ था, सेकेंड वेव में क्या हुआ था, right? And how did I say that? Vaccination has reduced the number of people contracting the virus. मैं कैसे बोल सकती हूँ कि वैक्सीनेशन की वजह से जितने लोगों को कोरोना हो रहा है वो कम हो रहा है, because I have all the facts and figures with me, right? Before the vaccination was administered, after the vaccination was administered, I have all the facts and figures with me. Are you following? So I can say that vaccination makes builds your immunity, and therefore you succumbing to COVID-19 infection is, the possibility is lesser, right? Facts रख के बात करना. Yeah, your exam. Like I said, till last year I was incurring advertisement costs which had pushed up my profits. So I will check if the advertisement cost actually pushes up the sales and thereby pushing up the cost, I mean, thereby pushing up my profit or not. Okay? That is one analytical study. Now we talk about explanatory research and exploratory research. Explanatory research attempts to clear. It explains why a process takes place, how a process takes place, and what's the research problem, and how it arises and how it can be solved. Like, for example, when I say COVID-19 tie, right? How did it take place? Why did it take place? देखा कि नहीं? Wuhan में like I mean Wuhan in China, people had eaten the bat and the virus came in from that, etc. और वो अभी कैसे फैलने लगा? एक दूसरे को छू के या एक दूसरे के ऊपर, I mean, even your air should not touch the other person, right? So now what is the way to treat it? What is the way to cure it? है कि नहीं? That is explanatory research. Now, when I talk about exploratory research, I'm exploring a new area or an unknown destination. Like, for example, foreign में एक concept है, me time. Have you heard of me time? Me time सुना है आपने? Me time. Okay. Right? Foreign में एक concept है, me time. So when I say me time, it is going to be I want some time for myself. When I want some time for myself, it is going to be, say I take out some time for working, right? When I take out some time for working, are you following me? देखो मैं दिन भर काम करती हूँ, I'm working for 8 hours. तो वो 8 hours में से मैं क्या करती हूँ? मुझे 10 मिनट every 2 hours I get a 10-minute me time, right? Where I can go out for a walk, smoke and come, etc. Right? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
So ये me time जो है,
Yes, ma'am.
it is going to be for smoking, for I mean ऐसे time लेके बाहर जाते हैं ना, तो उसको बोलते हैं me time. It is some time for me, right? So when I say me time, time for me, I take out and then I go out, walk and come. That is what is me time. So I'm going to try it out in India. Will employee productivity in MNCs or say corporate sector like IT sector work? प्रोडक्टिविटी एनहांस हो रहा है क्या एम्प्लॉय का, इसके वजह से ज़्यादा आउटपुट निकाल रहे हैं क्या? आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई दैट आउट. सो लेट मी ट्राई दैट एरिया आउट. समझ में आया? आर यू फॉलोइंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So clear? Clear all of you?
Yes.
Sure? So that is me time. So that is one area where I want to try. Is this working out in my company? Or I will say installation of a coffee machine. Will it help me reduce the cost of my coffee time? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.